Grace Life DIY home decor. So I just have a couple items. The items on the left here I thrifted, and I just got a few items here from the Dollar Tree. So let me just go ahead and show you. I got one of these window clings. I love to do DIYs with these. Aren't they beautiful? I love that bicycle. So I got one of those. I'm only working with one hand, guys, so bear with me. So look at the placemats that the Dollar Tree's carrying. I got the leaf ones in green and in gold, and I thought I'd pick up the pineapple. It's a nice size too, isn't that beautiful? So I got 2 of those. And I know this would cost probably a little bit more if we went somewhere else to get these, so that was nice. Let's see what else is in this bag. Okay, so I decided to get the lemon napkins. Don't you think these are adorable? Not sure exactly what I'm gonna use them with, who knows? Probably in my wood serving collab, maybe even a tablescape, you know. I love those lemon, the napkins. I think they have them in lemon, maybe watermelon and orange. Okay, but I grabbed the lemon today. I needed to get a Mother's Day card. I gotta send my mom a gift. So I got one of these. That's so nice, these cards. Guys, go over to the Dollar Tree and get the handmade cards first before you go spend more money somewhere else. They have a new shaped jar. I don't know, I think this is like a gray. Has a gray hue to it, and I like the shape of it. So not sure I buy all the jars, guys, I don't know, but this was a new shape, so I got one of those. I got some ribbon because I'm going to be making some DIYs, and yep, I like that one. Now I did get 2 more of the birdhouses. I like these birdhouses. The last one I just bought, I don't know if that wood is, it's like a little chip on that wood, but I got one of those. So if you notice, there's different shapes. Like this one has a heart window, and then this one has the 2. I don't know, I love them, so I'm gonna decorate both of those. And then I got one of these, you know, the beads, red, white, and blue. So we're going to be decorating. This is the Dollar Tree haul right here. So let me show you what I thrifted. So my son Matthew loves thrifting now. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm sorry, that was Alexa talking. All right, so here we are. Here's an Andrew Womack book, and it's a devotional book, 365 days. This is amazing, and I know this book. Yep, $20. We got this at the thrift store. I don't see the thrift tag. I have to ask my son how much they were. But it was at the thrift store and we picked it up. It's a $20 book. I know we didn't pay that much for it. And then we have a Dave Ramsey complete guide to money, and he's really good. I like reading on him. I personally read John Maxwell, so that's who I study with. Also the Charis Bible College financial team, but Dave Ramsey is very good. This is a very good book, and I know that book. Let me see how much that is. So this one, I don't see a price. Offhand, I don't see a price, but I'm pretty sure it's right up there around the $20 mark. That's what you buy retail for these. Now, that's my Dollar Tree receipt, no Goodwill receipt. Let me see if it has it here. They were $2.99. They don't put the original price on here, but the paperback books, one was $1.99. Yeah, I'm not sure. So $2.99, I know, with these dishes I'm about to show you. 2 at $1.99, so that's not a bad price. So look at these dishes, guys. Let's move on to the great stuff. Look at this. So I saw it and I had to have it. That is the mark on the back, and they were $2.99 a piece. Look at this. I cannot wait to use these in a tablescape. And this is all they had, guys, so I just grabbed it. I love it. So I hope you enjoyed this haul, this mix haul, Dollar Tree, and then this is the thrift store. I hope you enjoyed the shopping trip as much as I enjoy showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.